Okay, so Ms. Calhoun measures the heights of students in her math class. She is interested to see if the mean height of male students, mu1, is the same as the mean height of female students, mu2. This information is recorded in the table. When we see mu used for the mean, use the word population mean. So if there was a question that was asking you to describe something about mu1, and you got it wrong if you said the mean value. You have to say the population mean. Yeah, very strict. So here's my exam advice on this one. Mu equals population mean. Be very strict with the wording on this if you use it. X bar sample mean. Be very strict with the wording of these two questions. So if you're talking about a mu value, it is the mean of the population. The mean of the population, the mean of the entire population. So this is all her class. She doesn't have any more students in this class because it says these are mu values. So she is interested to see if the mean height of male students is the same as the height of female students. So what is the null hypothesis?
That male height, male population thing, whatever, is equal to female. And algorithm is not equal to.
That wouldn't work.
Why?
You would score no because you've not used the right terminology.
But it's the right answer. That question.
Well, if it's not the right terminology, then
If you wanted to, yeah, you would get wrong.
But I put equal.
Yeah.
How do I write
It's
it?
got an equal to, doesn't it?
How do I write it then?
The easiest way to write this one.
mu1 is equal to mu2.
mu1 is equal to mu2.
And then mu1 is not equal to mu2.
How would we say that in words?
the population mean of male students is equal to the population mean of female students.
What you're talking about
The
mean.
height, sorry, the height. Population.
So listen carefully. The mean height of the population of male students is the same as the mean height of the population of female
So
students.
there's no way. So we don't write independence or.
This is not a test for independence. Only the chi-square test for independence do we use the phrase independent of.
So we say it's the same as.
There's 3 on this one. Is the same as, is less than, is greater than. There's 3 tests in this one. And you can see that on the calculator when you have to say what your alternate hypothesis is. There's 3 options you can choose. So the alternative hypothesis is this one. Calculate the p-value for the
You
test.
make a list and spreadsheet.
So let's do our list.
And you put everything.
There is our calculator.
So is our minor going to look like this? Like these type of questions?
Yeah.
Good. Yay.
Let's put in an x and a
Sir,
y.
you just put mu1 equals mu2. You don't have to explain anything.
Let me fix this. Okay. Yeah, mu1 equals mu2, mu1 is not equal to this. I saw one question one time where it was asking to say it in words, and then you had to use the phrase population.
Okay, yeah. That's why I thought I had to use it like when you asked me. I have to say it with the words. And then you can write mu like 1 and mu2.
Because mu is defined here,
Yeah.
so you're just referencing the definition in the question. So you can't be wrong on that one. 152, 151, 149, 147. $148, $152, $154, $147, $146, $153, $152, and 50. Then we go onto the calculator screen, we press menu, statistics, stat tests, and we want a 2-sample t-test, number 4. A 2-sample t-test is the correct one that we're doing here. We're taking it from the data is stored in list as X and Y. We need to say what the alternate hypothesis is. Notice there's 3 choices here for the alternate hypothesis. We want this one. And pooled no. Look at the bottom one.
Oh, I thought you said always put yes.
No, it's pooled no. Always pooled no.
Will we ever have a question for
It's
No.
always yes.
It's always no.
Yes. What? I was always told to put yes.
I'll go.
It's always yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's
Okay.
it's more expensive. I'm maybe looking at food on.
Pooled no. Alright,
No polls, no swimming.
so menu. Let's do this test. Probability, no, stats, tests, 2-sample t-test. We want X and Y. We want pooled no. And then we can click here and get the p-value.
Oh, no.
0.26.
Doesn't it just tell you on the thing? On the.
Okay, after some debate, we have agreed on it being pooled yes. So let's do the test. Menu, statistics, stat tests, 2-sample t-test. We need X and Y. We need them mu1 not equal to mu2, and we need pooled yes. We get the p-value. Sorry, can we stay focused?
The first.
Can we stay focused?
Yes.
We get the p-value of 0.296.
There were so much questions.
So p-value equals 0.296.
Which is above the significance.
Pooled yes.
Yes.
So is it always yes?
Let's go for always yes. State giving reasons whether Ms. Calhoun should accept the null hypothesis. So always with a comparison of this value and this value.
Because
What is our significance level?
10%, so 0.01. There's insufficient evidence.
P-value is greater than the significance level.
Meaning there's insufficient evidence to reject
The null hypothesis.
There is insufficient
Evidence to reject.
evidence to reject the null hypothesis.
Yes. Yes.
With a hypothesis test, there is either sufficient evidence to reject or insufficient evidence to reject.
Never accept.
You either fail to reject or you reject. You either fail to reject or you reject. Insufficient evidence to reject or sufficient evidence to reject.
No.
If the P is low, reject the hoe.
Yeah, that's not good
If
at all.
the P is low, reject the hoe.
I like the sincerity.
Okay.
Anyway.
So are we ever gonna have a question where it asks us to reject or whatnot with the
You don't know
alternate
how the
hypothesis?
words will reject the law.
Report card.
When's the report card?
Friday.